All right, some of you were out when we did the area of the triangle using the determinant, so I'm going to go over that now. On your test, if this is on here, you do need to use the determinant. I don't want you graphing it and finding the area that way, okay? So the way you do this is you set it up. Each point's going to get its own row. So the determinant, that means you have to draw two straight lines, right? Because straight lines represent a determinant. So then we've got -8, -10. All right, and on the next row, we're going to do -3, -11. And on the next row, we're going to do -5, -5. Okay, now it needs to be a square matrix for us to be able to find the determinant. So to fill in this last column here, we're going to put in ones. The reason we're putting in ones and not zeros is because if we put zeros here, when we define the determinant, we're going to turn it into 0. Remember, 1 is a multiplicative identity. It keeps everything the same. Okay, now, when you're finding the determinant, we rewrite the first two rows, again, on the right side of the matrix. So -8, -3, -5, -10, -11, -5. Right? And then what we do is we do all of the diagonals, the 3-piece diagonals going to the right here they are, and then I multiply all those. I'll do that in a second. Then I multiply all the diagonals going to the left like this. Ooh, you can't see that. Let me get this out of here. Where'd it go? All right, well, you know what I mean. So you multiply them going one way, you multiply them going the other way. I'll just highlight the last one in blue. Okay, and then you subtract them. So I'm going to do the multiply all the yellow diagonals and then subtract all the pink diagonals. You know you can have your calculator find the determinant for you. On your calculator, what you want to do is put your matrix in for matrix A. So if I go to second matrix and I type in edit, I want the 3 by 3 matrix. Now you just put in your points. So I've got -8, -10, and then my filler column, which is 1, -3, -11, and my filler column, which is 1, and then -5, -5, 1. Okay, so when I want it to compute the determinant, you go to Matrix, Math, Determinant's your first option, and then you want Matrix A. Hit Enter, and that shouldn't happen. Okay, so if I could actually hear you guys, I'm sure one of you would have said that I forgot to hit -8 when I was typing in Matrix A, but I fixed it. Okay, so I knew I made a mistake because it turned out to be a negative number, and I know areas can't be negative. So now, if I go to second matrix, go to Math, and then tell I want the determinant of A, I will get +28. Yay! Okay, so what you do with the 28, if my area of the triangle is whatever the determinant is, divided by 2. So that's 14 square units. Okay?